Alright. Real prophecy. Real Broad County shit. Real 954.
Please allow me to introduce who the fuck nigga in your crew. And bitches ain't shit so true. I'm the realest, I thought I been told you. I thought I been told you. I guess it didn't go through. So don't talk about my love for rap. I love boom bap, but I ain't tryna bring it old school. I know you don't want me to change, but do you want me to develop? I cannot stay the same forever. I don't know what to tell them, no. I know you don't want me to change, but do you want me to develop? I cannot stay the same forever. I don't know what to tell them, no. When I was younger, I would wonder, how can I come out from under the ground? From under the underground, I put a couple thousand down this summer. Now tell me what you know about the hunger. And probably I'ma make who's ever sleeping on me, cause I've been knew about the slumber. I'm about to come up and count these commas. My album coming when I blow, I cause an uproar. It's loud, it's like if you wanna be alive, but when the loud, then put it down in front of the crowd. To punish, I give it to you how you want it. Now bow down to the ground and stomach collide. Am I against trap? Your lyric, I forget that. Prophecy is the future, I just went back. Don't forget it, I said it, I meant that. I've been on my grind for some time now, so don't you dare tell me to calm down. Just cause you're dumb, I ain't dumbing down my sound now. Do I have to break it down like it's a compound? It's simple, why they want me to tone it down? And why they acting like boom bap is my only sound? If you my fan, I need you to hold me down at any moment now. I'ma own the ground. And I don't give a fuck about old school nor new school, so please leave me be. And I don't give a fuck about what you think about me. Real prophecy. Please allow me to introduce who the fuck nigga in your crew. And bitches ain't shit so true. I'm the realest, I thought I been told you. I thought I been told you, but I guess it didn't go through. So don't talk about my love for rap. I love boom bap, but I ain't tryna